Pour 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into a frying pan. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to the pan. Put 2 cut up chicken breasts in the pan over medium-high heat and cook 4 to 6 minutes until it's cooked through. Put 1 cup of carrot and pea vegetable blend in the pan and cook for 2 minutes. Push the vegetables to the side and add 3 eggs and scramble until completely cooked. Stir it all together. Add your chicken and stir it. Add 4 cups of cooked rice and stir it. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir it well. I hope you enjoy this.